afternoon, everyone. Honored guests, our kind and amazing teachers, loving parents, and my fellow graduates of Brickwood School of Tawid. Welcome to this very exciting day, our graduation day. My name is Danielle Elise P. Villaflores, and today I stand here as a proud kindergarten graduate. This is not just any day. It's a celebration of all our hard work, big dreams, and the wonderful memories we've made together. Before anything else, let's give a big round of applause to our school leaders. Our President, Mrs. Divinia Arpolito. Our Vice President, Attorney Angelica Arpolito. And our school principal, Ms. Lorna Q. Reyes, for guiding us on this amazing journey. I'm so happy and excited to see all of you here. This is a very special day because we are celebrating everything we have learned and achieved in kindergarten. Can you believe it? We made it. Just imagine, when we first started kindergarten, some of us didn't even know how to hold a pencil properly or sing the ABCs perfectly. Some of us were shy, some of us cried. Okay, maybe a lot of us cried. And some of us were still a little scared to leave mommy and daddy's side. But look at us now, reading books, writing letters, solving math problems, making art, and even dancing on stage. Aren't we amazing? Kindergarten was so much fun. But do you know what our favorite part was? Snack time. Oh, and also playtime. Our school, Brickwood School of Tawid, has been our playground of learning here. We learn to share, care, and dream big. Our teachers have been like gardeners, helping us grow the beautiful flowers. They taught us with so much love and kindness. So let's give our teachers the loudest clap ever because they deserve it. And to our parents, you are our heroes. You helped us wake up early, finished our homework, packed our snacks, and encouraged us to keep going when things felt hard. Thank you for your hugs, your support, and for always cheering us on. This day is special because of you too. My fellow graduates, this is our moment. We're not just finishing kindergarten today. We're taking our first big step into a world full of even bigger dreams. We are like rockets, getting ready to soar higher and higher into the sky. So let's make this day unforgettable. Let's smile, clap, and be proud of all we've accomplished together. Once again, welcome to our graduation day, where we celebrate not just an end, but the exciting start of a new journey. Congratulations, everyone! Let's make this the best day ever. Thank you!
Thank you very much, Danielle.